Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit group notifications in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Facebook app. And here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Then tap on groups. Then in the top right corner there is a cog. We tap on that. And here at the very top there is notifications. If you tap on this, then we can set the notifications for each group that we are part of. Next to the group there is a toggle list, and then we can select what kind of notifications we want to receive from that group. For example, if we want to, we can set it to be all posts, which means that whenever someone posts in that group, we are going to receive a notification. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.